Here we have a 3D model of a halfway modeled residential building. When we set it into hidden line, it shows like this. It's a little bit light and uh, without natural colors. So let's add in some shadows or cast some shadows just to give some effects on this building. Let's go to graphics displays option. Here in the shadows we can select the shadow and let's show some ambient shadow with apply and click OK. So it's casting a little bit of shadows and gives some dark spots which create a more natural effect rather than a plain bland uh, white color. So that is the effect given by the shadows show shadow settings. Let's go and apply some more effects like cast shadows. Click apply and click OK. Now it's more nicer to look at, a little bit better and more realistic. So let's uncheck first or undo our settings and let's see how it applies when the shaded mode graphic or visual style has been set. Let's set it to shaded. This is how it looks like without the additional shadows or effects. So let's go to graphics display option and let's go to shadows and show ambient shadows. Apply and click OK. So it gives it a much more natural look with some dark spots inside it, and it creates shadows based on the lighting position. Now let's add in again a cast shadow so we can have it much more nicer. Click apply and click OK. So now it looks more realistic and the effect is much better than the plain colors that we have without any shadows. So that is how to apply shadows in Revit. Let's try to do it in realistic, see how it looks like. So it will take some time for us to process this to render it into its natural color. This is with the shadows and let's look at it without the shadows. It doesn't affect that much because of the render appearance, but the shadow effects will be much more significant to be noticed or noticeable in shaded and hidden visual style. So in the render views it has less effect than what we have anticipated or experienced in using it in the shaded and hidden visual style.